Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Pastor Cullen, joining you again for another of our daily devotionals together where we seek to invigorate your faith so that we can all better live, love, and act like Jesus. And if you want to pursue an invigorated faith, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because that's what we do here. This week, we are practicing one of my favorite things, visio divina, looking at the beauty of creation, the talents that exist in the world, and letting that be inspiration for our own expressions to God. And we're using Psalm 36 for reflection on this, and I love this verse. Look at verse 7 with me. It says, "How precious is your steadfast love, O God. All people may take refuge in the shadow of your wings." So we have two major imageries here in one big thing, the steadfast love of God. How precious is your steadfast love? I think so often we forget that. We get caught up in the rules or these other things about what it takes to be a Christian, but the reality is how precious is the steadfast love of God. And then all people may take refuge in your wings. So we have a subject here. All people, all of humanity can take refuge, this place of peace and tranquility, in your wings. The beauty of a bird who soars high above all the problems, all the chaos. So today, if you're a bird watcher, go watch some birds and experience the goodness of God in viewing these birds soar above you. Wow, that is the refuge of the Lord. And if you are a person who is a naturalist, go hiking, go find a place where you can experience refuge, peace, tranquility, quiet away. And let that be an inspiration for your own expression to God. And lastly, if you live in an urban area, I love this. All people may take refuge. There's beauty in the people that God has made. There's beauty in seeing other human beings in fellowship, in laughter, in rejoice. There's beauty in the people that God created. All of them. Every person that God has made, there's beauty in them. So to some extent, we can just look at another person for inspiration of who God is. Their character, who they are, how they carry themselves, can be inspiration for who God is and the work that He's doing in the world. So I hope you're enjoying practicing Visio Divina. I hope you're experiencing a new level of faith. If you are, go ahead and like this video. That lets me know that you're being edified by the content, and you're going to join me again tomorrow for another reflection in Psalm 36.